Welcome, today in front of me Cubot P50 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should get the Icon Changer application from the Play Store. That's why here in the search pool you should enter the Icon Changer. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that we just should open the application here. And now just let's use one from our application. So here we have all of the applications on our device, and for example we can change the phone icon. We can also remove this icon if you want. For example, let's just enter here calls. We can use the new icon from our just library with the new icons, or we can use our photo from our device gallery, or we can just use camera right now to take a picture. For example, I'll use one from these icons, this one, and after that just tap on the right upper corner then click add automatically. After that we can go to the desktop or change the next icon by the same way. Just select the application, just select the new icon and tap to OK. And now we can see here the new icon and the old one, so we can see here the difference. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.